Alright, let's get real about Capatee clothing. You've probably seen the ads all over your feed, super cute sweaters, tempting sales, and maybe you're wondering, is this legit or just another online scam? So, I dove in and tried it for myself, and I also combed through user reviews so you don't have to. Here's what I found. First up, the pros. People say the sweaters are actually soft and comfy. For real! I even saw comments about the sizing being spot on, which is a nice change from those online shops where you order a medium and get something fit for a toddler. And yes, most users do get what they ordered, so not a scam where you pay and get nothing. But let's talk about the not-so-great stuff. The biggest complaint? Shipping times. Some shoppers had to wait a while before their packages landed on their doorstep. We're talking a fairly long time, so if you need a last-minute outfit, Capatee might not be your best bet. Another thing, communication. A few people felt left in the dark waiting for tracking updates or shipping confirmations. And, heads up, Capatee isn't accredited by the Better Business Bureau. That doesn't mean it's automatically bad, but it's something to consider if you rely on BBB ratings for peace of mind. So, verdict time. Is Capatee clothing a scam? Based on my experience and what I've seen from others, nope, it's legit. But it's more like shopping from an international boutique or a fast fashion site. Expect slower shipping, check the delivery estimates at checkout, and most importantly, be patient. If you love a cute sweater and aren't in a rush, Capatee could be worth a shot. But if you need instant gratification, maybe shop somewhere else. Let me know in the comments. Have you tried Capatee? What was your experience?